Hi everybody, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up. If you need to order any Stampin' Up products, just look right below and you'll find all the information you need to purchase from me. Right now, this is Tips and Techniques Tuesday, and I've been working with ribbons, and I want to show you how to make this. Let's get this a little closer. I want to show you how to make this what I call a tail, a horse's tail out of ribbons. Okay, so what we're going to use is this is the Chevron, the small Chevron ribbon. Let's see what it is. Mini Chevron, 3/8 inch mini Chevron ribbons. This is in crushed curry. And it comes in a lot of different colors, and you can do this with other ribbons other than this, but you need a pretty good size thing. And at the bottoms you will notice, okay, let's get here. You will notice there's little strings that come off. They go like this all the way across. See this one? See? And I'm just going to be pulling that, hopefully. Okay, let's just get another one and start on this side. Yeah, okay. And we're just going to be pulling this. See? Can you see that? See how I'm pulling this? And I'm holding it, and I'm pulling it, and I'm pulling it. And it's just one string. Now I'm going to be pulling it almost to the end, but if you pull it to the end and you just pull it, and all of a sudden all these little strings go away. So I am going to take some gold thread, because I'm using, this is the gold metallic, what is it called, thread, gold metallic, whatever, I am just going to I'm going to just right below where I stop, don't pull it all off, just right below where I stop, I am going to tie a piece of this metallic thread on, okay? And I'm going to tie it really, really tight, folks. Okay, where is it? It's so thin that it's really hard to, let's get this down and maybe you can see it. It's just really hard to find it and work with it, but I'll show you. Okay, I'm just going to get it there, and I am going to do a double knot, granny knot, square knot, whatever you want. Double tie it. I'm going to take some of this off. It just gets in the way. Okay. And you can do this any length you want, okay? If you want to do it, you know. So, and again, I'm just going to go right beneath where I was, where I stopped, and I'm going to go in, and I'm going to tie, okay. I'm going to push this up because I need this up from where I was, because if not, it's going to pull it off when I start doing it again. So again, I'm going to try to get this fine, fine gold thread tied. You know, I haven't had this much trouble before. So there I go once. And now I'm going to tie it again, just to make sure. Okay, now if you want, you can tie a bow on it, whatnot, anything. I'm just going to keep it here, and then I'm going to, again, I pulled this under that so it's on top, and I just did the rest of it. Can you see that? Yeah, see, I just did the rest of it. And now what you can do is you can move this down a little bit or up a little bit if you want. I'm just going to take this and just do that and do the rest of the, And now you can use this as a tail for something, like this. So, making tails out of ribbons. So, just wanted to say, remember to follow me on YouTube, and all the supplies and information to purchase from me is down below. Thanks for visiting, and let's get that in focus so you know who I am. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.